India has a population of 15 million visually impaired of the 39 million across the world, who have long been unable to access printed documents like books, newspaper and magazines. Visual impairments have considerable economic costs, both directly due to the cost of treatment and indirectly due to the decreased ability to work. Every day of our lives and for virtually every waking minute, we depend upon our vision. Braille was and still is the most used form of reading for the visually impaired people. Braille is named after its creator, Louis Braille, a Frenchman who lost his sight as a result of a childhood accident. In 1824, at the age of 15, he developed a code for the French alphabet as an improvement on night writing. Braille is a tactile writing system used by people who are visually impaired. It is traditionally written with embossed paper. Braille users can read computer screens and other electronic supports using refreshable Braille displays. They can write Braille with the original slate and stylus or type it on a Braille writer, such as a portable Braille note taker or computer that prints with Braille.
Braille books, we find it difficult, it's cumbersome, it's heavy, and not many schools are able to get books in Braille. So you're dependent on, organizations that are transcribing print to Braille.
By way of contrast, in 1963, 57% of students knew Braille. This is of serious concern because partially sighted students who do not learn Braille do not reach literacy levels on at par with sighted peers. There are far too many blind or visually impaired children who do not have a reading medium that allows them to keep up in class, handle a flow of information, read long passages without discomfort or fatigue, take their own notes, and read for pleasure. Access to print and digital media is one of the major challenges faced by this community. Use of conventional resources such as Braille and audiobooks limits their information accessibility. Imported assistive technologies are very expensive, Rs 50,000 to 2 lakhs, bulky and are available for foreign languages. For a variety of reasons, the teaching of Braille to visual impaired students waned over the past few decades, to the point where in 1998, less than 9.5% of blind students were Braille users.
One paragraph of printed material in a book will be one page in Braille. So you can imagine the bulk of the books, plus they have to carry the books to the school also. Bags become bulky and they have to carry. So side by side, computer training is given to these children.
It is a precarious situation. We know it, but come what may, we have to deal with it and we are doing it.